Makers lose time and money when they have to guess where a job will land, leading to misaligned cuts and wasted stock. If you're wasting material from guesswork, struggling with inaccurate job placement, or losing time to slow, inefficient framing, your camera likely isn't calibrated. Today, I'll show you how to calibrate the camera on your OneLaser so every cut and engraving lines up perfectly every time. First, turn on your OneLaser machine. Next, turn on your computer. We need both running before we can connect them and start calibration. Plug the provided USB cable from your computer to the laser. Then plug the camera's USB cable from the camera into your computer. This connects everything so Lightburn can recognize both the laser and the camera. On your computer, open the Lightburn software. At the top menu, click Laser Tools. In the drop-down, click Calibrate Camera Lens. A new window will open asking for your calibration pattern. For this tutorial, choose the circles pattern. For the lens type, select Fisheye Lens. Click the link that says click here to download the calibration pattern. Once downloaded, open the file and print it out on a piece of paper. This pattern is what the software will use to understand your camera lens and correct any distortion. Place your printed circles pattern on the workbench so the camera can read it. Move the pattern around so Lightburn can capture it from different angles until it's finished. Since our camera is mounted on the lid, select the graphic on the left side. Lightburn will have you run a test engraving and then align your camera view with that engraving. This step tells Lightburn exactly where the laser's work area lines up with the camera view. Finally, when the wizard is complete, your camera is officially calibrated. Now, when you look in Lightburn, the preview on your screen will match exactly where your laser engraves your cuts. There you have it. No more wasted material, no more guesswork, no more slow framing tests. With your camera calibrated, you can place graphics precisely and start every job with confidence. If you need extra help, schedule a one-on-one with our in-house engineers, and we'll walk you through it step by step. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.